guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be doing a requested makeup look. One of you requested me to do a makeup look, and some people on Instagram requested that I do a makeup look. I don't wear foundation, so you won't see any foundation in this video, any concealer, anything like that, because I'm trying to have a better skincare journey, and I don't want to be applying all that stuff to my face. So I use skincare products before I start my foundation. Start my makeup look. That's my foundation, my skincare stuff, and my lotions and moisturizers, all that good stuff. I have friends that popped up today, as I said in the video. So my face isn't as clear as it could be today. But yeah, so we're just gonna go ahead and get started on this video. I hope you guys like it and enjoy it. I haven't been on YouTube in a long time. Well, I don't know when the last time I posted a video, but it feels like it's been a long time. I haven't been on here in a while, so if my video seems a little cheesy or whatever, just bear with me. It was a requested video and I wanted to give you guys the content. So yeah, on my lips. So I like to put Vaseline on first, and I know y'all know how to put Vaseline on. Just rub it in with your finger. Then I go in with my brown lip liner pencil. I got this from Five Below, I think, for like $1 and some change. Actually, no, we're not doing brown today. We'll do brown another day. I want to do black. And bring my hair up a little closer so I can see. And see, with my black pencil, I don't go all the way. I don't go right here in the middle of my lip. I just like to leave that part, you know. I like to leave that part without any lip liner. It just makes it look more natural. And it looks less harsh on my lip. And I use my finger to smooth it out, because I don't have really any makeup products that like I can blend my lips and stuff real good with. The little, I don't even know what it's called, the little brushes, the blending brushes. I don't really have any of those, so I just don't I don't use them. So one day I'll get me some, but for now I use my fingers. Okay, I did the outer lip, and now I'm just gonna fade in under just a little bit. And voila! Hold on now, my phone. I have my phone connected so that I can see myself, but whatever. Now my head is itching. It's really. I would put my lip gloss on right now, but I'm not gonna do that. I'm gonna do the other steps first, because I don't want lip gloss touching my fingers. I don't want lip gloss touching my fingers, so I'm gonna go ahead and do my eyebrows. We're gonna just put that lip gloss on last. So I have eyebrow pomade, and I'm gonna be using that on my eyebrows. And I have the little eyebrow spoolie and the applicator, or whatever you wanna call it. Okay, do not mind my eyebrows, because my eyebrows are in the process of growing back. So I won't be plucking my eyebrows for a minute, because clearly I went overkill on actually doing my eyebrows. And now I'm missing all of this hair right here, and it's growing back, so just give it time. Can y'all see me? And when it comes to using the pomade, or what you call it, the eyebrow stuff, when it comes to using it, it's really all about it's really art. You're really just drawing your eyebrows on. That's all you're doing. Just envision how you want your eyebrows to look. Okay, and I lightly fade the front. I don't go all the way up in the front because I like that faded look, that natural faded look. So yeah, I really don't do too much in the front of my eyebrow. I kind of like my ends, like the tail of my eyebrow. I kind of like that part to be a little dark. But yeah. Alright, we're done with the front part. And I don't put concealer or anything under my eyebrows. Honestly, I don't know. I don't really care about it being perfect, so maybe that's why. I mean, it still looks nice to me. And if I was trying to clean up the my eyebrow, all I would do was just shave this part under here. But like I said, I'm trying to grow my eyebrows a little bit thicker, like I used to have them. So yeah, we're just gonna continue on to the next eyebrow.
My niggas don't mind. Stick out my tongue and I'm about ready to hit this pretty bitty with persistence. Yo, I don't think y'all hit me. Brown sugar, babe. I get high off of love, don't know how to behave.
Y'all see that? Hold on. Okay, I think I like them. So those are my eyebrows. Now we're gonna move on to eyelashes. So I like to put a dark eyeliner. I like to put a dark eyeliner under my eyes, just to make my eyes pop a little more. And I have 3 new friends who decided to pop up today before I shot this video. So there's one over here somewhere, right there, and then I got one right here. So hopefully they'll be gone by tomorrow. But anyways, let's go ahead and do under the eye. You don't see me? You definitely can't see me. I'm gonna use this camera. Hopefully y'all can see me though, because I had to I'm not using the original lens that came with the camera. I'm using a close-up lens, and I just like the quality of it better, but I have to put the camera far back, so hopefully y'all can see me, and if I zoom in, hopefully it doesn't look crazy.
Want you to focus, gotta keep your composure like you tryna earn that diploma. Do it over and over, yeah. Make it pop Coca-Cola. Keep it hot Barcelona. Bedsheets turn to a white dress. Looks so good when I'm naked, yeah. I just want you to focus.
And for everyone under that video I posted on Instagram that wanted to know where I got my contacts from, there's actually a video, probably like 2 or 3 videos down, showing where I got my contacts from. And for those who were saying I didn't need the filter for the eyes or whatever, these are contacts, you guys. It's not the filter, it's the contacts that I actually wear in these because I have a prescription. So I am blind as a bat and I need my contacts. Anyways, so yeah, and I chose color because I wanted color contacts. There's nothing wrong with having color contacts. I love my natural eyes. I never said I didn't like my natural eyes. I just like color contacts as well. And I do wear glasses. My glasses are actually in the bathroom. But yeah, I don't think there's anything wrong with black women wearing color contacts. I saw a lot of people saying it gave weird vibes or whatever. Anyways, I like my contacts. I bought them for me, not for everybody else, just so y'all know. Anyways, so now we're gonna go ahead and put on to the lashes. Okay, also too, I got a lot of questions about where I got my lashes from. These and another pair of lashes. I named this one Dubai and the other one Spain. I probably put a clip up here of each one. Probably Spain, probably Dubai right here. But yeah, I bought these from a vendor on Alibaba. I actually did find the vendor again, so if you guys want me to sell these lashes again, just let me know. It has to be enough people though. I don't want to just buy them and then it's not enough people. So we're gonna go ahead and put these lashes on. I use hair glue on my eyelids, by the way. So if you don't use that, you use whatever it is you like to use. Okay, I already curled these, so I'm not gonna curl them again, but I'm gonna tell you the secret to having bomb lashes. Wearing these without curling them, I mean, you can get away with it, but the best way to wear these lashes is to definitely curl them. Get you these come from Dollar Tree. You can get you a curler, an eyelash curler, and all you do, because the whole thing isn't gonna fit in there, the lashes are pretty big, so all you do is you get a little section and you literally just press until it's curled. And that is the best way to wear your lashes. I promise you it's gonna change your lash game. And I learned this from TikTok. TikTok teaches me everything I need to know, and I love that hack. Like, I am using this hack all the time. Yeah, I feel like one of these lashes look different from the other one. One's sitting though, way too far. Okay, what was I finna say? I was finna say something. If you guys want to know where I got this nose ring from, if you guys want to know where I got this nose ring from, you're gonna have to give me a minute because I really do not remember. I can't remember if I ordered it or if I bought it in the store. Because if I ordered it, I most definitely got it from Shein. And if I did order it, I think it came from Walmart. I don't know, it didn't come from Walmart. It didn't come from. I really don't know. I probably did get it from Walmart. Either Walmart or Rainbow. I can't remember. So yeah, y'all, I really don't remember. And I lost my favorite one. The other one that I usually put in this nose, I lost it. So no telling where that's at. Probably somewhere in the house that I'll probably never find. It's gonna bother me. Anyways, I'm using the NK Makeup Lip Gloss, or it's lip gel with vitamin E in the flavor mint. So I'm using that one. And this was only 99 cents. And the hair, hold on y'all. I was just gonna say I like how this lip gloss doesn't spread my lip liner, and it's gonna do. Maybe it's just the lip liner. This lip liner probably just holds longer. This one. This is actually eyeliner, so maybe that's why. Oh, both of them are eyeliner. I don't know. Maybe it's just the brand. Anyways, this is my makeup look. No foundation, no concealer, none of that stuff needed. Just a good skincare routine and some confidence in your skin, no matter what it looks like. Just make sure you're keeping up with your skincare. Make sure your face is moisturized. I've seen a lot of people been doing the Vaseline on their face. We've been doing that since we were little kids. Our parents and grandparents used to put it on our face before school. That can be a way that you make your skin glow. I use other products to make my skin glow when I do this without makeup. Just do whatever you know is best for your skin and what helps your skin pop, and stay consistent if it's working. Do not switch up. Do not switch up what you do, because that's going to cause your skin to break out even more. You know, if you want to see results, you have to keep using the same products, you know, that work for you. Don't switch up, because it might change stuff, and you know, just, I don't know, just keep it consistent when it comes to your skincare routine. Anyways, if you guys are watching this video, like, comment, and subscribe. And if you guys want more videos, I'll do more videos for y'all.